Greetings, citizens of the world. Hillary Clinton has remained in the public eye despite her stunning election loss to Donald Trump. The recent publication of her campaign memoir, What Happened, has served as a basis for taking aim at the president during the last several weeks. But even as Clinton attempts to focus the media's attention on her new book and political endeavors, she's finding herself facing renewed interest in past scandals. The watchdog group Judicial Watch has stated that on Friday, it is participating in a federal appeals court hearing in order to force the government to release an indictment drafted against Clinton during the infamous Whitewater controversy in the 1990s. The United States Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit is hearing an oral argument related to Judicial Watch's 2015 request and lawsuit under the Freedom of Information Act, FOIA. After 2 years of waiting, Judicial Watch is, at last, being given an audience, meaning the desired Whitewater-related documents may ultimately be released, a decision that could shed new light on Clinton's involvement in the highly publicized fraud scheme. The case in question is titled Judicial Watch v. National Archives and Records Administration. National Archives and Records Administration, NARA, is an independent government agency that preserves documents and records. But NARA seeks to keep secret draft indictments written based on the allegation that Clinton gave false information with regard to her involvement with Madison Guaranty Savings and Loan, whose fraud-fueled downfall resulted in several criminal convictions and ultimately cost taxpayers $73 million, as reported by the LA Times. Citing Clinton's personal privacy, NARA has denied releasing the documents. But Judicial Watch attorneys argue that an enormous amount of grand jury and other information from the independent counsel's investigation of Clinton has already been made public. As a result, Judicial Watch claims there is no secrecy or privacy left to protect. Accordingly, the watchdog's statement calls on NARA to release all copies of the draft indictment. Judicial Watch is seeking all versions of indictments against Hillary Rodham Clinton, including but not limited to versions 1, 2, and 3 in Box 2250 of the Hickman Ewing attorney files, the HRC/draft indictment in Box